anyone else not looking to spend their life savings on a cordless vacuum like me, I got the upgraded Homika cordless vacuum, and I really like the features that has, showing you the battery life and the 3 different speeds that you can set the suction to, and comes with multiple attachments that are really easy to clip on together. And what I really like is how light this is, so I can quickly just vacuum our stairs. These always get the dirtiest right by our front door, and you can adjust the length to it as well, so it can actually be a little bit longer if you need it to, then shorter. And overall, it just really works effectively when it comes to the fall season, when we track in so many leaves now living in the Northeast, as well as the swivel on this head. I really like how it turns super easily and gets into little corners and things. I like how I have no issues with vacuuming my hardwood floors to then switching this over to any of the carpets that we have. So if you're looking for an effective vacuum and it doesn't feel like you're spending your life savings, I'll link this one below for less than $100.